What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have the DEERC 300E. Now, I've reviewed this car in the past over a year ago, and since then they've actually did a couple running updates to it, so I just wanted to go over that really quick. Then we're going to take it out on this baseball diamond. I feel like I never run these off-road cars actually off-road, so these tires are pretty hard, so they don't really hook up too well on asphalt, so I figured we'll get it dirty and see how it does. So right out of the box, I just wanted to show you that it does give you 2 Lipo batteries, which is nice. It also gives you 2 bodies. We're going to run the red one, obviously. If you want to watch the original video that I did, I'll link it up above. And 2S speed, I think, was 20 miles an hour out of the box. Now, this claims it can go a lot faster than that, but it never actually hit that. They have also since upgraded the shocks to these oil-filled shocks. Now, when I first got it, the shocks did not have any oil in them. It kind of had that like weird earwaxy grease sort of stuff. So check the shocks when you get it, the hexes for the tires, and yeah, pretty much just run it stock. That's what we're going to do today. Alright, so like I was saying, back when I first reviewed this truck, it had friction shocks, so these shocks are a little bit better. And these tires are definitely good for dirt. You can see it really hooking up. It is a little bit bouncy on this sort of terrain. I'm not sure if you're going to find dirt that's much smoother than this, but just wanted to get this thing outside, get it dirty, see how it does in some dirt. Let's see what else comes in the box. So in the box, we got a couple extra spur gears. We got a little brush to clean it off once you get it dirty. Obviously the 2 batteries, the charger, all that stuff. So a great little package. This car comes in. Ooh. So right now on Amazon, this car comes in at $150, and they're actually doing a $30 promotion on it right now. So about 120 bucks, maybe 130 after taxes, which isn't bad. That's about in the same range as a Mini T 2.0. This is obviously 4-wheel drive and brushless, and it can run 3S. I didn't bring a 3S battery with us today, but it does handle it. Just watch those motor temps and ESC temps. Yeah, this is a fun little car for dirt. Kind of hard to keep it on track, but the 2 batteries say that it'll give you about 40 minutes of run time. Full speed, flies pretty well in the air. Standard 12mm hex tires, so you could go ahead and upgrade these if you really wanted to. Brakes work really well. I would say this is a good first car for someone trying to get into RC. You get a brushless system with it. Fairly hobby grade. Decent speed. And with these little cars that are lightweight, they seem to be pretty durable. So the dirt over here at this field is a little bit more fine. definitely smoother, and you can tell it did rain, so that it's not as dusty as it usually is, but this is a really good surface to run this thing on. Not a lot of bumps. There's a little dust getting kicked up. Again, stock battery. This thing is a blast. For 120, 130 bucks, I would say this is a really good option for a first RC car. It's got enough speed where you won't be bored driving it around, and you can definitely throttle it down on the remote here in case you want to give it to a really young guy. And it handles grass and jumps really well. Look at that. Little run up here. Oh. Oh. That was a pretty big hit, but it took it. Well guys, I hope you liked this little revisit of the DEERC 300E. Again, this is the 2022 updated version with those oil-filled shocks. A little bit different body. Just the angles on it are a little bit different. Same paint scheme, different wheels. And for 130 bucks, I think this thing is a great first-time RC car. Super tiny, you can bring it on vacation with you. The little USB charger with it, you don't have to pack heavy. And it's just an overall durable and fun little basher. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this car, let me know what you think of it down in the comments below. Thank you for everyone that's been subscribing. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. We just did a giveaway of an RYLO car. So if you are not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be doing more reviews, more giveaways, and hopefully bigger things to come. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one.